In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up language translation in the new Microsoft Outlook. If you regularly receive emails in different languages, turning on translation settings in Outlook can make your inbox much easier to manage. This feature helps Outlook translate messages into the language you prefer, so you can read incoming emails more comfortably without needing to copy text into another tool. The setup only takes a moment, and once it's saved, Outlook will remember your preference. To begin, open the new Microsoft Outlook on your device. Make sure you're in the main Outlook window before moving on, because the settings we need are found inside the app itself. If Outlook is still loading, just give it a second until everything is fully visible and responsive. Once Outlook is open, look toward the upper right area of the screen and click the gear icon. This is the Settings button, and it's where you'll find options for customizing how Outlook works. After selecting it, a settings panel will open so you can adjust different mail and app preferences. From there, click on Mail. This section contains many of the settings related to how your emails are received, displayed, and managed. If you see several categories listed, take your time and choose the one labeled Mail, since that's where the translation option is located. Next, click Message Handling. This area controls what Outlook does with your messages in different situations, including features designed to improve readability and organization. When you open Message Handling, look for the Language Translation setting. Here, you'll be able to choose which language you want Outlook to translate your emails into. Select the language you want to use. Be sure to choose the one you're most comfortable reading, since this is the language Outlook will use when translation is available. This can be especially useful if you often communicate with international clients, co-workers, or contacts. Take a moment to confirm your selection before moving on, so you don't accidentally save the wrong language. Once you're done, click Save. This is an important final step because your changes won't be applied unless you save them. After saving, Outlook should begin using your chosen translation preference for supported messages going forward. And that's it. You've successfully set up language translation in the new Microsoft Outlook. If you found this helpful, you can use the same settings area later to update your language preference anytime your needs change.